My name is Adam Golka. I'm the owner of Phase Out Electric. We have an electrical background that spans decades. We started in the commercial fields, ended up in the residential fields, servicing homes, and then decided 10 years ago to go directly into the solar field, and we've never looked back since. I'm proud to be part of a company that's been here for almost 20 years. We are built off of integrity. We started out of the back of one small truck, and we have been here to support our customers from the beginning of the project until their future needs. Our staff is all aspiring electricians or licensed electricians, and they are trained rigorously in safety in both electrical and work on rooftops. Here at Phase Out Electric, we get to the root of the problem the first time. Not to say we can always fix the problem on the first trip, but we can diagnose it and let you know exactly honestly what you're looking at. We cover all of Connecticut, all of Massachusetts, and all of Rhode Island. If you're looking to get a new roof, we're happy to take down the panels and put them back exactly the way they were with all new components. If you're in New England and looking for solar removal reinstallation services, new installations, or service, our capable team and our rapid response time will get your problem solved. Check us out online and see what our other customers are saying about us. Give us a call or fill out the online form and let us get your solar investment working for you.